Hey guys, I'm back with another interesting video. So our today's topic is depression. In our life, we mostly feel sad, hopeless, useless in many stages of life. But it's normal expression to feel sad or cry when you lose something in life. Either it may be any relation or any job promotion. Then how do we know that we are in a state of depression? How can you judge it? People living with depression feel hopeless about everything. Loss of hope leads to loss of belief in yourself and in your loved ones. Are you feeling depressed? Are you feeling sad about something? So today we will know about depression, causes, signs, types of depression, and best ways to cope with it in our daily life. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video for you. So let us discuss what is depression. Depression is a mood disorder that causes a continuous feeling of sadness, gives you a feeling of helplessness, hopelessness, loss of interest, worthlessness, making your life difficult for you. If you are in a state of depression, then you might feel sad. You often have physical symptoms like anorexia or unable to sleep. But let me tell you nothing to worry about. There is hope for you. You can get better from depression, as everything is possible in this world. Being human, we get depressed by various factors. Let's discuss some of the factors which causes depression. You feel depressed because of following factors. Hormonal, situational. Different situations leads you to depression. Less communication with your family and friends causes depression as well. Early childhood trauma, that's painful. Family history of depression. Drug abuse can lead to depression. Seasonal, changes in season can also cause depression. Studies show that changes in the effect and the function of neurotransmitters react to maintain mood stability. They also play a role in depression. Thinking about the signs of depression, let's discuss it. Loss of pleasure in life. Thoughts of suicide. Loss of interest in everything. Mood swings. Loss of hunger or overreacting. Weight gain or weight loss. Overreaction to the small problems. Body aches. Headache is also one of the signs of depression. Panic attacks. Social isolation. Self-harm. Feeling guilty for almost everything in every situation. Blaming yourself. These are all signs of depression. Do you know about different types of depression? These types of depression vary from person to person. The first type of depression is seasonal affective disorder. The seasonal affective disorder is a type of depression that's related to changes in seasons. Second type of depression is bipolar depression or manic depression. Bipolar disorder, also known as manic depression, is a type of depression that brings severe high or low mood changes, changes in sleep, energy, thinking, and behavior. Some people who have bipolar disorder may become suicidal. Third type of depression is psychotic depression. This type includes some form of psychosis. fourth type is treatment-resistant depression. How well is your depression treatment working? Does it help a bit? Perhaps you feel the treatment isn't working, then you might have treatment-resistant depression. How to cope with depression in our daily life? So, this is a good news and hope for all of you. Some of the ways by which we can cope with depression without taking help by any medical professional includes the following: focus, exercise, sleep, me time. So let's discuss focus. Stop focusing on the problem or the person who is making you depressed, because it will only increase your sadness, making the condition worse. Exercise. Start more physical activity as it strengthens our immune system and improves our mental health. Sleep. How sleep can help you? Take plenty of rest and sleep for mental health and comfort. Fourth way, me time. Explore your hobbies and invest your time on yourself more. Depression steals happiness and joy from one's life, closing all the doors of hope, but everyone can defeat depression. Follow all the ways to cope with depression which are discussed above. Good treatment and family support is the best way to defeat depression. Keep in mind that everything is possible. We just have to try, as there is always a light of hope. In the next video, I will share some of the best ways to cope with depression at different stages of life. Depression in pregnancy, dealing with depression alone, and student life depression, and many more. Was this video helpful or informative? Give it a thumbs up and share with your friends to help others. For more videos, keep following this channel. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on this video. Take care and wait for the next video, how to cope with depression in different stages of life.